How's it going, everybody? Anxious Vids back with another video. Today we're going to be doing something that I absolutely will hate doing because, well, we'll just put it this way. I'm going to be eating a PlayStation controller. Not any kind of PlayStation controller, but a big-ass gummy PlayStation controller. And this is going to suck, and I'm really going to not like this because I absolutely hate gummy candy. I hate gummy bears. I hate gummy worms. I hate any candy that's gummy. It makes me gag. I don't like Jell-O. I just hate this kind of stuff. So, before I get started, my buddy over at YouTube Brackets has a little competition going. If you head over to his channel, you can see what's going on. It's a Big Mac eating contest. So go and check it out. I think I'm going to enter it. I got to go get a Big Mac. So without further ado, let's eat this controller and see how many times I gag at the absolute fact that I hate this. Before we start though, comment down below. Let me know what you think is going to happen. I'm not going to enjoy this. And could you hit that like button, hit that sub button, turn on that bell. Let's get this started. Oh God. This is going to be fun. It's blueberry. Let's dig right in. I don't like it. I'm gonna throw up already. I hate it. Most disgusting thing ever. I hate gummy candy. I think you guys should all get some gummy controllers and eat them with me. Like I said, YouTube Brackets is having a Big Mac eating contest. He's trying to get a bunch of YouTubers all to do it together. Should be pretty fun. He's a cool dude. I think he'll enjoy it. He puts out some really good content. You should definitely go check him out. It's YouTube space Brackets. You'll like him. I'm playing PlayStation like this. Yeah, this is disgusting. I don't like it. About halfway there. It's so thick. Look how thick it is. That's like a solid inch and a quarter thick. Inch thick. Toggle stick. Here goes the toggle stick. Can't play with that toggle stick. Now what are you gonna do? You got no toggle stick. I'm an LAB stick. I wonder what happens to that guy. He hasn't posted. It's been a few months. I wonder what he's doing. See, I don't feel so bad in my challenges because he's kind of the same way, but he does some pretty damn extreme stuff. He never wins 98% of the stuff that he does, but it's really fun to watch and you get a good laugh out of it. hate it. The part's kind of dry. Like eating leather. It's tough to chew through. I'm gonna choke. Also, got another buddy I'd like you to check out. It's Red. His name is Red and Green X. You'll like him. Go to my videos. Go to my comments. You'll find him. He's a pretty cool dude. Check his channel out too. I'm done. This is just gross. I hate. You get the point. I ate half, 3/4 of a PlayStation controller. It makes me want to gag. Should I eat the rest of it? Nah. Nope, don't want to. It just makes me gag. It's disgusting. I'm done with it. Ugh. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. As always, comment down below. Let me get your feedback. Let me know what you want to see for future videos. Let me know if you would like a shout out. I am completely open to doing all of these. I love my fans. I love the people that stop by. My subscribers are freaking awesome. You guys always give me good ideas. So I will see you all in the next video. And don't forget to check out YouTube brackets on the Big Mac eating contest. See you guys in the next video.